Hello YouTube and welcome back to iTech Support. Today, I'll be showing you how to reset your BlackBerry that's locked with a passcode. So let's go ahead and get straight to the point. So go ahead and click unlock, and we have to enter the password wrong 10 times. Let's go ahead and do that. Now after the 4th time, you'll be asked to write BlackBerry. So you write BlackBerry, click OK, and then enter it wrong 3 more times, 2 more times, and now it's going to ask you to write BlackBerry once more. Go ahead and do that. And our 9th time, and then it's going to ask us to write BlackBerry one more time, just to make sure it's not your kid playing with the phone and ends up wiping it. And now if we enter it wrong one more time, the phone is going to wipe. So go ahead and click that. And now the restore process will start. After the phone boots back up, it'll be back where it was to factory settings.